Have you ever wondered if Bitcoin is really the technological revolution of the future or just a passing phenomenon? Hello, everyone, and welcome to our channel dedicated to the world of cryptocurrencies. Here you will find market updates, project reviews, and advice to help you make informed decisions in the world of cryptocurrencies. I invite you to follow me on the channel to always be updated. In an era where advanced technologies such as artificial intelligence, smartphones, and laptops have become an integral part of our daily lives, it is interesting to note that Bitcoin is following a similar trajectory. Despite price fluctuations and regulatory controversies, the world of cryptocurrencies continues to grow. In this video, we'll explore why Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies could see unprecedented growth and what this means for institutional and individual investors. Recently, several local and state governments have begun to view Bitcoin as a store of value worthy of inclusion in investment portfolios. The mayor of Jersey City, for example, announced plans to invest 2% of the city's pension funds in Bitcoin. At the same time, the state of Wisconsin revealed a $150 million investment in Bitcoin. This growing interest from institutions reflects a broader shift in the financial landscape, where Bitcoin is gaining recognition as part of a global asset allocation strategy. This trend towards the inclusion of Bitcoin in institutional portfolios is not accidental. The idea is that Bitcoin, with its programmed scarcity and ability to act as a store of value against inflation, can offer a unique diversification compared to traditional assets. As highlighted by various analysts, as more investors, both institutional and private, approach Bitcoin, demand increases, inevitably pushing the price higher. One surprising aspect of Bitcoin adoption is the growing political support. Currently, two presidential candidates in the United States are openly promoting crypto-friendly policies. Robert Kennedy Jr., for example, has declared his intention to sign an executive order, if elected, to transfer approximately 200,000 bitcoins held by the U.S. government to the U.S. Treasury, treating them as a strategic asset. He also proposed the purchase of 550 bitcoins per day until a reserve of 4 million bitcoins is reached, with the aim of securing a position of global dominance for the United States in this new financial sector. Donald Trump has also expressed favorable views towards Bitcoin, promising to keep 100% of the Bitcoin currently held by the government and not to sell these reserves. This position is in stark contrast to previous government policies and represents a strong signal of how Bitcoin is becoming an increasingly central component in U.S. political and strategic discussions. Despite the enthusiasm, regulation remains a sticking point. Mark Cuban and Michael Novogratz, two prominent figures in the cryptocurrency world, recently attended meetings in Washington, D.C., to discuss concerns related to the anti-crypto approach of some regulators such as Gary Gensler and Elizabeth Warren. Their concern is that excessive regulation could stifle innovation and push the development of blockchain technologies outside the United States. An example of balanced regulation would be to include Bitcoin in investors' portfolios without imposing excessive restrictions that could limit its growth potential. Cuban and others are pushing for policies to be bipartisan, as they recognize that opposition to Bitcoin is analogous to opposition to disruptive technologies like artificial intelligence or laptop computers. It is critical for the United States to participate in this new generation of wealth creation by providing economic and job opportunities. Looking ahead, the long-term prediction of Bitcoin's price is hotly debated. Michael Saylor, a well-known Bitcoin advocate, presented a forecast ranging from 2024 to 2045, with varying scenarios. In the most optimistic case, Saylor predicts a price of $49 million for Bitcoin, while in the most pessimistic scenario, the price could stabilize around $3 million. The median forecast suggests that Bitcoin could be worth $13 million by 2045. This exponential growth would depend, among other things, on more companies deciding to include Bitcoin on their balance sheets as a store of value. The key question investors are asking is whether this is a prudent move. Alternatives, such as government bonds with low interest rates, may not offer the same protection against inflation or the same long-term growth in value. As Bitcoin continues to dominate the cryptocurrency scene, Ethereum is establishing itself as the premier technology platform for a wide range of decentralized applications. Today, Ethereum celebrates its 9th birthday, and the platform is now known for hosting most of the most innovative applications in the world of cryptocurrencies, from non-fungible tokens, NFTs, to decentralized finance, DeFi. Major ETF issuers are positioning Ethereum not just as a cryptocurrency, but as an essential technology platform on which to build the future of the internet. The dominant narrative among mainstream investors is that Ethereum represents a diversification opportunity, owning both Bitcoin as a store of value and Ethereum as a platform for decentralized applications. While there is still discussion about Ethereum's specific role as a currency within the system, the consensus is that it is a key pillar for the cryptocurrency ecosystem. The cryptocurrency revolution is only just beginning. The growth of Bitcoin and Ethereum represents just the tip of the iceberg of a technological movement that has the potential to transform the global economy. With increasing institutional adoption, growing political support, and new applications emerging, cryptocurrencies could see unprecedented growth in the coming years. Having said that, thank you for following this insight into Bitcoin and the world of cryptocurrencies. Continue following us to stay up to date on the latest news and trends in this ever-evolving space. If you want a competitive advantage in the cryptocurrency market, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. See you in the comments and in the next videos.